Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Tesla Cybertruck in GTA 5. First, understand that adding custom vehicles requires modding your game. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to download and install the necessary files. You'll be cruising Los Santos in your futuristic truck in no time, transforming your gameplay experience with this unique vehicle. The first step is to find the Cybertruck mod files. Head to a reputable GTA 5 modding site and search for the Tesla Cybertruck. You'll typically download a compressed file, like a zip, containing the vehicle data. Additionally, you'll need OpenRoman4, a powerful editing tool that allows you to modify game files safely. Make sure to download the latest version of OpenRoman4 for compatibility. Once you have your files, launch OpenRoman4 and activate Edit Mode at the top. This allows you to modify your game. You'll need to navigate through your GTA 5 directory with an OpenRoman4, usually to mods /update /x64 /DLC packs /patchday 3ng /DLC. RPF /x64 /levels /GTA 5 /vehicles. RPF. Then, simply drag and drop the Cybertruck files from your download into this folder. Remember to back up your original files first. With the mod installed, launch GTA 5. You'll need an in-game trainer such as menu to spawn the Cybertruck. Open the trainer menu, navigate to Vehicle Options, and then to the Vehicle Spawner. Look for an input model option and type in the Cybertruck spawn name, which is typically Cybertruck or Cybertruck. Spawn it, and you're ready to hit the streets in style. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.